Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
It seems the assurance given by the Honorable Education Minister Sir Lakman Rumbui on the 2nd of March 2022 during our delegations with him, during our peaceful protest mass march to Secretariat, he had assured us that within a week time, he will make sure that fund for payment of 2 months' salary reach to all the district concerned for payment of SSA teachers' salary. So today, as I speak, it has reached to 20 days. The fund is still lying with the state government or with the state finance department. So it seems that the assurance given by the Honorable Education Minister Sir Lakman Rumbui on behalf of the state government is just a delaying tactic in order to calm down the anger of the SSA teachers who come to the street on that day. We want to send a clear message to the state government. This is not going to work. This is not going to work. We are here demanding for our right and livelihood. Just imagine to live 5 months without salary is not a matter of joke. So don't play with us as the teachers. We are here to serve the states. We are here to serve the children of our state of Meghalaya. So please don't force the SSA teachers to come out to the street against along with our family members and relatives. Please don't force us to do this. We want to concentrate we want to complete our duties. So through this, we want to send a clear message to the government that please release the fund for payment of our 2 months' salary as assured to us by the Honorable Education Minister Sir Lakman Rumbui on the 2nd of March 2022. On 10th of March 2022, we have followed up the matter with the Secretary Education Sir Ambrose Marak. And very interesting, he informed us that the delay is due to this budget session 2022 of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly because all the officers are engaged with the schedule of the budget session. Okay, that's fine. Now the session is already over. So why still there is a delay? That is a question we want to put to the state government. Why immediate actions is not taken up? Yesterday, the 21st March 2022, again I follow up the matter with the Secretary of Education Sir Ambrose Marak and came to know that the file is still under process. So what is going on here? Now almost 20 days the file is under process. So we from the association side on behalf of all the SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya, we send a clear message to the state government that if the state government fail to release the fund for payment of our 2 months salary as assured by the Honorable Education Minister on 2nd March 2022, on or before 25th of this month, from our side, from the association side, we will call an emergency general executive committee, and in that committee, in that meeting, we will sit and decide for the next course of action to be taken as a mark of protest against the adamant attitude of the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance government for releasing the fund for payment of SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya.